In this highly detailed image, we create a close-up, front-facing portrait view of the world's cutest puppy, capturing its head and shoulders. The dog is positioned on a wooden table in a spooky forest made of electric crystal clusters during daytime, surrounded by twisted trees and gnarled roots. On the table, a glowing magical crystal castle with floating stones adds a touch of enchantment to the scene. In the background, a saltwater mountain lake is visible, fed by a saltwater mountain river. Both the lake and river are teeming with colorful fish, vibrant coral, water vegetation, and beautiful mermaid goddesses. Along the shorelines of both the lake and river, Japanese cherry trees with pink flowers, colorful wildflowers, and tall green grass create a picturesque setting. To ensure a successful micro photo, it is essential that the dog's face is facing the lens. This ensures that the intricate details can be captured with precision. We recommend using a DSLR camera with a 200 nanometers micro telephoto lens for this purpose. Shooting during the day will allow for vivid and lifelike natural lighting, accentuating the features of the dog and bringing out the rich technicolor of the forest surroundings. The image should have a 16:9 aspect ratio and a frame size of 1920 x 1080. Advanced techniques such as long exposure and a slow shutter speed of 160, along with an aperture of f8 and appropriate white balance, should be employed to capture highly detailed and best quality images. Post-processing techniques such as denoising, sharpening, technicolor grading, and HDR imaging can be applied to enhance the image's details while minimizing data loss. Using tonal colors, high contrast, and a rich technicolor palette will create a vibrant and eye-catching look that conveys the natural beauty and playfulness of the dog and its surroundings. Furthermore, employing three-dimensional 4K 16-bit RGB and super detailed hyper-maximalist rendering techniques will result in an ornate and highly detailed portrait of the dog. Techniques such as global illumination, matte, refractive, perforated podzol, aerosol, and screen space reflections can be utilized during post-production to further enhance the image. The final image should be an exquisite representation of the dog, exuding excitement and energy amidst its spooky forest surroundings. The stunning backdrop of the saltwater mountain lake and river, brimming with life, adds depth and beauty to the composition. It should be an ornate, highly detailed, best-quality portrait that captures the essence of the dog's character, while showcasing the interconnectedness of life within this enchanting ecosystem. The glowing magical crystal castle made of electric crystal clusters and floating stones adds an extra touch of magic and wonder to the scene, further enhancing the captivating nature of the image.